everyone. No, okay, I want to talk about the Ten Commandments that God given to the Moses and to Israel people. Okay, Moses talking to the Israel people, Ten Commandments. Okay, I want to read them for you some Bible here. The Ten Commandments, and God spoke all these words. I am the Lord your God, who brought you out of Egypt, out of the land of slavery. You shall have no other God before me. We, every Israel people understand about that. God brought out Israel people in the Egypt. Okay, they are freedom right now. This means the God wanted they had to be obeyed to the God. Now, I want to say a little bit about the Islam for the back of the Kasaya the Hatak God with you, who clever good long. Then I say a malwara, you shall have no other gods before me. No, there are the bar, put of bar of Kasaga, Palajimanyaba. No, you shall not make for yourself an idol. Now, we tell man the bar of Tito, Tago, Tapol, and Nabo. Not in front of anything in heaven above or in the earth, not on the earth beneath or in the water below. Not there are we tell man, there are anything. Kalakasi, no, Muko Pokumi, we tell ma Hokumi, dollar T apala, not Taputali, the coming, you shall not bow down to them or worship him. No? But tell Malan, the Balo Buto Bato or Wethibar or Nedabado, not Toro Duiclor or Wethim in Yasikova. When he miss it or Takatu to look to Wetakanmano, or when he meet Tamalo or Silano. Penny, no? For I am the Lord your God. No, when he meet Yemi Nekasam, no? I'm God. No, I am God. For I am the Lord your God. No, let that go. Yemi Nekasam, no, Yemi Nekasa, Le Pagiterma Nekasa, no, and I jealous God. No, what did I Yemi Kasala Pagiterma jealous? Sidane, Pagiterma to initha ini monona nahabata budabaga the name of jealous God now. Punish the children for the sin of the father to the third and fourth generation of those who hate me. No, Bagdermala away senior generations idane talosalate. No, for the son, no Bagdermala apukwa, no father, no, and the third and the fourth generation. Now we tell my third so to so or Luis so to so, not generation. Punishment. Now we tell my when the then put on a penny, no love for a thahio. Who hate me? No for a thahio. But showing love to 1,000 generations. Thank you, brothers, subscribe. Now 1,000 years. No penny, did I know? Pursuing love to the 1,000 generation. Now, forget mala. Pap, whether no, pap, how a da ele, forget mana. Le da a solar, tekala, or not a solar, tekala, no, 1,000, no, tekala, generation, no, da so tekala, no, forget mala. Of those who love me and keep my command, no. When Walla Asia or Tony Yatamalo did Panero, no, Walla Asia or Tony Yatamalo did Panero. You shall not miss the name of the Lord your God, no, Britain Mana, Nanabalo, Katu, no, misuse, Nagato, Toda, no, Britain Man, Nagato, Kablik Black, no, misuse, no, let them put out. No, Malo Katura, Kaloklo, Le Bagden Mano, La Yemi, yumi ba no ma katura clock ba no for the lords will not hold anyone guiltless who misuse the name no awane mera kasa yua katuwara no hello no kasa yua no pagitama tapawara le tawene meta le atakre ba me ba no pagitama pawara no remember the seventh day no Tinotoki muobwini remember 7th day okay no okay no then the kuta ro ne pagitete ma away la no 7th day no day by keeping it holy you should be keeping holy day 7th day not 7th day you should be keeping holy all right let them go namba pa taso shilo mu bagana ma opportunity no 6 day you shall labor and do all your work no bagana khudo ni ne thu mata pita ma thilo no ne thita pita ma ne thu ma thilo but the 7th day is a Sabbath to the Lord your God no bagana awani mu nui ni tini ne meta la ka sa yua awola munwini tini no on it you shall not do any work no on it you shall not do any work this day you can't do any work okay 7th day you can't do any work no let us put on a tevara namara la mukhuni mu obuni tini ne finol mi ba no anamara tibe muitani dilo mukhuni la no obuni tini namara tino mi ba no let us put on he pa ta kwata ya khalali no let us put on ni khai no neither you no pagitana nasiko nor your man service no don't kunapa man service your man service you cannot walk in okay you and your service too okay no or my service no pagitana no away no nor your animal nor the aliens within your gate no pagitana mala na taputali do pagitana no na taputali do na pagitana pa ukora le trenti de pasi kore no they can't do nothing this day no for in 6 day the Lord made the heaven and the earth no kasa yo tilo ra khuto mo no mawara la mukho do hokhu ni tilo wala no the sea no the awetera la the sea pole no and in the all and others in them no pagitama kana kasila when no bus he rests on the 7th day no awe obwelo mununi tani ne lo 7th day no awe obwelo mununi tani no baganyo ko wala la mununi tani ne mera la mukhuni no basana ki ro awe ni obwelo tani ne bakala muntani no anakwana mo no le da din mo no basana ki ne la na clean up ni tadi to mo no therefore the Lord blessed the 7th day and made it holy no the Lord blessed the 7th day and made it holy no kasa you are mawara munwini tani ne pawara la musoshi ni no honor your father and your mother no pagite mala nama yo pakin namu do napa no napa do namu so that you may live long in the land the Lord your God in giving you no pagite la nakamu wera thothok la la kasa wa hilona hilona la talota clear la kasa wa hilona ni lo you shall not murder no why you shall not murder me no na ba mafida ba no you shall not murder because murder is a killing okay let us put our you shall not commit adultery se kwa na ba eboda ba no eboda commit adultery no eta eboda no you should think about it you shall not steal no when in the huda deba you shall not steal okay don't steal no you shall not give false testimony okay testimony sidane na tabalo unata no kabli kabla ba no against your neighbor no pagita ma thoda pa ulun khe you shall not convince your neighbor house เนาะ convince နေပကတဲ့မှာเนาะနာတပလုံးပကတဲ့မှာเนาะมามาตอนนะปกติมันเนาะทอดานะนะฮิกับปูกับปาวะเนาะนะดอปูวะเนาะ you should not convince your neighbor wife เนาะปกติมันละนะตะกระหินิปานะตะกอมันเนาะอามาสิกวะเนาะ or his servants or my servants his ox or donkey or anything that belong to your neighbor เนาะตะเคละเคสิละPeppa Hulu na Takomano na Dopuwe meanwhile your neighbors na your friends, okay, your neighbor, maybe you know the guys, okay, living with nearby you, okay, you cannot taste anything from them, okay. His wife, okay, do you think about okay, we are girlfriend, boyfriend, okay, you are married, but when I go to your house, maybe I ask your wife, okay, maybe your wife love me, okay, that's fine. This is the God doesn't like, okay, the God's hating this one. You should be keeping, okay, you should be keeping, no? Lutane hudaro tebra no paini kelekesilo no belong to neighbor. When the people saw the thunders and the lightning and heard the trumpets and saw the mountain in the smoke, no? Pe paganyo de ba tiwera no pagten mala lo plaloda no takapo no puno ne na huera ta so no na huera ta so and saw the mountain in the smoke, no? Pagten mala lo mu lo kasado ko ne no ba ja mu ke mo no. They travel with fear, no? Awake ko oro tapi tap mo no when they stairs at the distance, no? Awake ba ora so suji mo no? Awake ba ora so suji mo no? Answer to Moses, no? Awake sa you are seba wara Moses no? Speak to us yourself and we will listen, no? Awake tebra somosilo no katuta ro ya, no? Na katuta ro o mo no? Nama katuta ro ulo ne, no? But do not have God speak to us or we will die. Okay, the God is powerful. Israel people cannot speak to God directly. Okay, before this is a very danger. Okay, when you see God you die. Okay, when you speak with God not agree as you will die. Don't go closer. The gods remind to the Israel people, telling to Moses, no. Moses remind to Israel people. Moses said to the people, no. Someone say teba weda pakinyoti pani. Do not be afraid. Okay. Nati the lo pliraba, no. God has come to test you. No kasayo hema kwara no. God come and test because people say no God, right? That's why God come and showing to the Israel people. Israel people maybe they don't believe yes, okay, they don't understand it, they don't see God because they think God is nothing, right? But the God come and test to them, no, so that the fear of God will be with you to keep you from sinning, no. Let no kutaro ne plika sajwani no awani mita gilino do nakapa tadeba yirona ne lo. The people remained at the distance, no pani paganyo de pani no awatini also siwera no talawane with Moses, no. Wise Moses approaches the think that where God was, no. Pani no samoshini no lethu with a penny do pagter ma letta kekla no basinya sikolo tagitin pan no. We know we understand about this thing, okay. Do not steal, do not murder, okay. Honor your father and mother, honor your father and mother, okay. Do not make no false testimony, all right. Do not commit adultery, no. This everything is the better, okay, very good thing. We should listen and then we should follow this. This is a key our claim, okay လက်တန်ကိုကြတော့ဘကဆောကွာနေဘဘပေါ်ထွေးတာတဲ့ဖာနော် I don't an author then the Lord said to Moses now when it we run is kasaya deva samusine tell the Israel this no deva Israelites no deva for Israel ko tir phai you have seen for yourself that I have spoke to you no when in the chile no kasata no la yek chudara na ne lo I have spoke to you no from heaven no yek chudara na la mu ko ne lo no do not make any gods to be no alongside me no pagdan man malo tiro no malo tiro kasayo atir phala no le yemenya ba no do not make for yourself god for silver or gods of gold no pagdan man god of silver god of gold do not make no sitane but malo tiro wara no se kasayo tu kasayo ba no make altar or else for meat and sacrifice on it your burnt suffering and the foolishness offering your sheep and the goat and your cattle na phane no namalu ta la kasaya o ni mira ta la no tu do metle do wo phi ti pha ni lo no whatever I cast my name to be honored no when me ta la ya pa ye no ka ye mi le pagda ma ke ro ta le ta yo pa ke awo ma no ta yo pa ke awo ni lo no I will come to you and bless you no ora ne ye ke su no o lo ye ke so gi na ni lo no e ro David din ma no if you make altar of stone for me no ne me ti ro ta ba kha la ta go le no ye go ni do not build is no altar sida ne mera talu ma no talu no altar ne mera talu ma no su ko mo lo ji ma no talu le ta ne pho ta ro ne no number 3 ro wala le ji ko ma no do not build is with precious stone no when in number 3 ro wala ba ke ta ma le ta ti pa we te mi ba no for you will not define it if you use the toe on it and do not go up to my altar on step lest your nakedness be exposed on it no let ta kura ke kero wala la na pagitena mala na ta tuto phla de ma no na ta ovara ta kha ma no pagitena paganyo te pha ne no ta hu ta ge te pha ur kha ma no awani tuto phla de awani no ovate na no let me open our secret for slaves okay when you read Bible about this Hebrew 7 now Hebrew 7 do you know about the Hebrew 7 this is I want to read more about the 21 no chapter 21 now 1 to the 11 I want to read it more little bit no if you buy the Hebrew service is a buy the Sabbath okay before Israel buy the Sabbath Sabbath has Lord too the God making law for Israel no he is to serve you for 6 years one is serve you for 6 years all right 6 years but in the 7 years no me puedo nuini no huni wili me puedo nuini ni no 7 years no me puedo ni he said go free okay you have to give this service free okay you don't need to take it back you have to give it free only 7 years you can keep it only 7 years okay you cannot keep it longer okay you think about you want to keep it forever no way okay only just you have to keep only 7 years okay this means the God talk about that okay without paying nothing okay when it na no pagitana ma namba hilo awete no tano mi ba if he came alone no awen me here wala le anok sa daga ne he is to go free alone no awen me here anok acha daga ne awen kiwe awen kahara anok acha daga no awen no to go free alone but if he has a wife when he came no awen mo ro ama no we ami he ni she is to go with him เนาะ awake free เนาะ he เนาะ she will free with her husband เนาะ awake โดนตัดบลีดเนาะปกตินะอามาสิกอล if his master give him a wife and she bear him son or daughter the woman and her child shall belong to her master เนาะปกติมาแล้วเนาะอากาศมีฮีอ๋อเนาะปกติอภูมิกีเนาะอภูมิกีเนาะเอาไว้นี่ไม่ได้ละดออภูติดพามีอภูมิกีมั้งเนาะเก็บแล้วละเอาไว้นี่บัตรบัคคาร์อัสรามั้งเนาะบัคคาร์อัสราเนาะ belong to her master and only the man shall go free เนาะเทปกควาร์กาแล้วเนาะเอาวาร์กาเราหาเราสิเนาะบ้ามนี่แหละเอาไว้ให้กันเนี่ยนะคะเดี๋ยวตอนนี้คุยเราเอาไว้กันนะครับแล้วนี่เนาะเอาไว้ก็ใส่เจอแล้วเอาไว้ก็บ้าหาเราเด็กแล้วบ้ามนี่แหละนี่เนาะเอาไว้นี่ไม่ได้เลยลิโซซิปาบลาแล้วอย่าเจเลยเนาะก็สาวเนาะเอาไว้นี่คือปวดที่พามเนาะอากาศบ้านนี่เวทาโฮเทลเคเลยละเอาไว้ไม่หาเราเนี่ยบ้าหาเราเด็กแล้ว but if the seven declares เนาะเอาไว้นี่ไปเจอมาแล้วคือปวดกันนี่ไม่ปะตาละ I love my master and my wife and children เนาะไปเจอมาแล้วเยเอเวลาจะตราโดยจะมาโดยจะพูดที่ผ่านนี้ do not want go to free เนาะเอาไว้ดอหาทอดตะบลีแบบเนาะเอาไว้เนี่ยจักรจักรฝ่าเด็กเลยเนี่ยพักขึ้นยังเนาะนั่นเลยว่าเนี่ยเลยนัตราฮิปูนะนัตราฮินาเนาะน้ำมาน้ำพูเนาะน้ำมาเราเนี่ยชอบพูนเราลีบเราเนี่ยนักกิจจอดที่นอร์มีเรื่องว่ากันนักจอดที่นั่นมีอะไรเอาไว้เนี่ยนะหาว่าฟรีนักแกพูดตะขวาแล้วเนาะแต่ย้อนสิเขาก็ได้เว้ยเนาะเนี่ยเป็นเนี่ยเจ้าละเอาไว้มีเอเวอร์อัตราเนาะดอมีเอเวอร์อามาดอมีเอเวอร์อาพูเนาะดอเอาไว้มีจะเราหาดอเวลาเลือดตัดบลีบานี่ then his master must take him before the judge เนาะเอาไว้เนี่ยเนาะไปเจอมาละอากาศราเวบาฮินิกิออตะคลือเลยตาไปเจอมาละตาสิญญาณมาเลยเนาะ he said take him to the door or the doorpost and pierce his ear with oars เนาะปกติเรามาละเนาะเอาไว้กับบ้าฮีนิกิอ๋อเนาะเลือดเตะเนาะปกติเรามาจะคลื่นละหาเราทำมันบ้าฮีนิกิอ๋อเนาะบ้าฮีนิกิอ๋อเนาะปกติเรามาละเอาไว้กับบ้ากิโซระเนาะกับบ้าตู้พลูไว้อันนักคือมันเนาะเอาไว้เนี่ยปัดตู้พลูเพย์ปัดนักคือเรื่องเนี่ยเอาไว้เนี่ยเป็นเมทัลเอาไว้เนี่ยคือเลยอัตรามันเนาะปัดตู้พลูนักคือเรื่องเนาะคือเลยอัตราเลยโซซิเตอร์หรอมันเนาะเมทัลเลยก็จะเป็นอย่างมันเนาะวันละตู้พลูนักเรื่องเนาะเมเพลย์อัตราเลยก็จะเป็นอย่างมันเนาะ we don't know okay เนาะไปเนาะไปนี่ปกติเรามาแล้วเนาะthen he will be his servant for life เนาะปกติเรามาแล้วเอาไว้กับเกี่ยวเวลาคือป่าแล้วอัตรามุบุเนาะจะสู้ได้หรอ if a man sell his daughter as a servant เนาะปกติเรามาไม่เลย if a man เนาะ if a man sell his daughters as a servant เนาะปกติเราไม่ชักกูได้เลยคือป่าเอาไว้นี่she is not good to free no man service do no ปกติเรามาละเอาไว้เนาะเอาไว้ปอมือนี่แต่หาว่า free เลยคือป่าอร่อยบ้าเนาะ if she does not please the master เนาะเอาไว้ไม่จะคิดกันยาวนะอัตราวันนี้ who has selected her for himself เนาะไปวันนี้ไม่ต้องละเอาไว้ก็บ้าป่าตาเลอวัวดอเลอันนั้นก็สาวคนเนี่ยล้อเนาะเลอามาก็อันนั้นก็สาวคนเนี่ย he must let her be redeemed เนาะ he has no right to sell her to เนาะ foreigner เนาะเอาไว้เนี่ยมีอันนั้นก็สาวเอาไว้เนี่ยปกติเราเอาไว้มาไว้จะตีนอนไม่เอาเนาะเอาไว้ก็บ้าไม่ได้เลยเพราะชาวเวลาเอาเนี่ยจะตีบ้างเนาะจะตีเวลาเนาะชาวเวลาจะตีบ้างเนาะแล้วตอนนี้คุยตลอดนี่เนาะเพ่เนาะเจ้าเราเลยเนาะเพ่นี่ดอเพ่ pay because he has broken faith with her เนาะปกติမှာလဲ aware เนาะปกติမှာလဲ aware aware all of that on เนาะ aware ปกติမှာလဲမဟာကိုကွေเนาะ broken faith เนาะမဟာကိုကွေဝဲဒေါ်တပ်ပမှုပဲနေလော if he slay her for sin his son เนาะ aware မပါတာလဲပေါ်ခွာเนาะဖူပေါ်ခွာနေเนาะ he must grant her the rights of the daughter if he marries another woman เนาะ when he meet တာလဲအပဟိဝရာဘာကလာတာလော်တီလော်ဆဲလဲเนาะပကတိနမှာလဲအဖူမှုကောမเนาะတော့ aware နော် brother လဲပမှုအကာရကမเนาะ marry another woman he must not deprive it the first one of her food เนาะ when he aware ကဘာဟိဝဲစီကောเนาะဘာလူဝဲစီကောအမဆုတရကစီကော clothing and the mental rights เนาะmarital rights if he does not provide her with these three things she is to go free without any payment or money เนาะ when he aware ไม่จะหิวละตานอดมีเลยအခုပမှုတကနေဥပနေเนาะ aware ไม่အဲ့တော့လေပဲနေเนาะ aware ပကတဲ့မှာလဲ aware တဲ့ပမှုတကနေစီနော်မီလို့ပမှုတကနေလေ free တော့เนาะဖေဘာတာလေဖေဘာတာမှာเนาะno let us put up a crop to pata like targeted five no we know about the no we know exactly about the 10 commandments that God given we has more about telling in the personal injury okay personal injury is so many things about the reading okay and another thing is the God given commandment for the protection of property too okay everything is have the social responsibility too but I don't read yes I had to only make in the reading for topics okay law of justice and mercy too okay here is the seventh law okay that's the three animal festival so many rules in the Bible that God given to the Israel we understand about this first thing we should think about do not murder do not make false testimony okay do not steal okay do not adultery this means this better thing to all we should remember we understand about that people understand you understand too okay but sometimes only just your cars your wives just don't understand it you should pay patient too much all right but the gods know exactly who follow me follow okay who don't want follow me don't follow you want to blessing follow gospel and then listen gospel this means the God protect you and then you will remember all the time something you do something you want to go something you want to drink or you want to do something okay this means the God protect you about his advice okay it's the Bible when you read it you understand about this thing okay thank you so much my friend and my brother okay my sister all of people in the watching my channel you will get something from me or you don't get it that's why you should listen or you should be reading back yourself okay this is Exodus chapter 20 okay Exodus chapter 20 I'm reading about this you can read it by yourself you don't understand it you think about by yourself this is a good thing bad thing or the right or not the right that's okay for you you have to choose by yourself nobody force you nobody tell you nobody making hardly to you okay I guarantee every person reading Bible is about he feeling himself only okay Kita nak kena pastinya lepas paling sosial chapter mila pernah pernah kesara welo do pelera le pernah kesara welo kita nak kena ro pekerja tu patah le betamu kulo pegelera pakamadi le ni udah le bersyukur okay your life is in your hand but sometimes when you give it to God is in God hand into the God hand okay God can keep it your life can give your life internal life okay You have to think about by yourself. You want to give it to God or you want to keep it by yourself. That's fine. This is your choosing. Okay. Thank you so much. I will see you next time tomorrow in the morning or afternoon. I'm not sure about that, but when I have time, I will come and see you again. Okay. Just simply what to do ma no mutani the chemistry ro yakatiron da du me waro no yakapari ro lisoshi the tan ko ra tu to ne ma se ko ta tu me ta ma ta tu ta khulu kasayo apu do tu ko to ne ma ta 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 ble le hakko clinic sick on lo I will guarantee you are free right now in the whole world. You know what? Nobody can touching you, force you, because you listen to your mom, your dad, your gods. Okay, this is very grateful. You have to be living peaceful with your host family. No matter what, sometimes your daughter or your son don't listen to you. That's fine. You should be sure of yourself. Good attitudes to them. Maybe they will change it. They are not changing. Mean they don't want to change it. No problem. Okay, pray to them. Okay, blessing to them. One day they realize you. They thank you. Thank you so much. I will see you late tomorrow. Bye bye. We'll see you next time.